Summer vacations are time for break, time for rest, and time for regenerate self. So, dear students, we know that you wait for summer vacations year round to accomplish all your desires, as this is the great time to develop all your skills and nurture your hobbies, experiment new things, spend quality time with family. We also know that academics is equally important, so we have given you constructive holiday homework which will help in transforming your leisure time to innovative learning time. We also know that the outside prevailing pandemic conditions hence expect that these holidays will be home holidays spent happiness among family members. I would also like to pay a huge gratitude to the students as well as parents who have always stood with us like pillars during pandemic and appreciated our constant efforts of online education system. Hope you all will be having a great holidays. Please be safe, stay at home and happy holidays. Thank you.
Dear parents, greeting to all. Hope you all are doing well. I pay my sincere gratitude to all of you for your constant support that keeps us going. These leisurely days are the best time to instill a sense of gratitude for all that we have. Make a journal and write 5 things every day that we are grateful for. It's better if we do this activity together with our children. Create a happy atmosphere by playing with them. Do enjoyable activities such as dancing, singing, painting, exercising, etc. Make your children responsible by giving small tasks like laying dining table for meals, watering plants, hanging laundry to dry, tidying up their bed in the morning, and organizing cupboards. Help them in scheduling their daily tasks to maintain discipline in life. Parents, invest your time in your children. Teach them to serve community and value people. Let's make together these days memorable by taking care of each other. Stay home, stay safe.
A sparkling good morning to all. You are watching RPM Wisdom News. I, Devesh Nasa, is going to notify you with some important news of the day, which includes creativity at its best, fitness mantra, and gratitude. We, the students of RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur, believes that action speaks louder than words. So we are working with passion to follow our dreams and hence exuberantly in the activities. The activities conducted like playing indoor games and helping our elders in daily household chores. So let's have a look. Government of India has made it mandatory to wear the mask since the use of hand-made mask is a barrier against coronavirus. The love lights have turned out to be the mask warriors to fight with COVID-19. So let's meet our mask warriors.
मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी
in sharing that no challenge would remain unconquered. So let us all self-introspect and show love and care to win and succeed. So let's meet our fitness guru Himanshi Chitkara, who will let us know the ways to improve our immune system.
This is Himanshi from Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur. During this fight with pandemic, let us stay safe and healthy by applying only traditional means for a healthy lifestyle. There are various yoga asanas and pranayama that everyone can perform at their homes to build immunity and safeguard themselves from coronavirus. One of the beneficial pranayama is Kapalbhati. It is an effective pranayama that makes our lungs strong. So this is how we do it. Now inhale. So, let us all join hands and fight against this pandemic, which is harder and
A person who has spent over 5 hours after work hours a day only on calls with a colleague. The due brainstorms ideas and plans for their online class over the Zoom app. A couple of hours more goes into gathering and preparing the item and props. By the time she is done, it's often late in the night. Hats off to all educators who are working day and night for our bright future. So let's see a giving gratitude to Anonymity.
During this tough time, everything seems lost. But there are some people who are giving a spark of hope, positivity and knowledge. There are some legends who are giving their best, not for themselves, not for their families, but for the good of the students, their school and their country. They are the teachers of our school, working under the guidance of respected Principal Sir Dr. Inder Malik. This is to say, despite the fact that the school building is closed, but the entire teaching fraternity and admin are working invisibly harder than ever. Our facilitators are working effortlessly at the cost of their families. Our heartfelt gratitude and good wishes to our Principal Sir, in charge ma'am and teachers for their support and guidance.
Be left with us for new updates. Till then, Jai Hind, stay home, stay safe.